done filming my everyday makeup drawer only to have my Beautylish Lucky Bag delivered. If you're not familiar with what the Beautylish Lucky Bag is, it's something they do every year in January, and I don't know if they're trying to clear out inventory or what the deal is, but essentially you either purchase a large or an extra large, or maybe it's regular and extra large, lucky bag, and you don't know what's going to be in it, but you pay $75 for the large, and I think it's $125. I'll put the right numbers on the screen for the extra large, and people are frequently getting like $500 worth of makeup in there. So this got delivered right after I finished filming, and I'm anxious to see what's in here. So I thought it would be fun to kind of do a little bit of an unboxing, and then if there's anything in here I'm like super anxious to play with, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the drawer because, well, why not? So I have not opened this yet, so let's dive in. Okay, that's super cute. It's got a little tag and it says, Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. This year's Lucky Bags are brought to you by the 7 lucky gods who travel the world in their magical treasure ship to grant good fortune in the coming year. It's, as with all Beautylish products, it has amazing packaging, amazing shipping materials, like super, just, I don't know, they really take time to wrap and care for all the packages they ship. I really like them as a retailer. And then, I don't know if you can see this, on the lid, it actually shows, has a little stamp, and the person who actually packed your bag signs their name on the box in like a ballpoint pen, which, I don't know, little details, right? So, let's open this little dude up, shall we? Let's see what we have. Oh, this is not the extra large, by the way. I don't know if I said that. This is just the regular sized one. So I got, this is the Naiad Sanskrit Saponins. This is by Deciem, which Deciem is actually who owns the Ordinary brand. I think this is a second cleanser. So it says, directions, use every other day in the AM or PM. Sanskrit saponins can be used more frequently if desired. It is not intended to remove makeup. If makeup is present, first remove with a suitable makeup remover. Wet face thoroughly, massage between your palms for a few seconds to form a paste-like lather. Apply to your entire face and massage gently. Rinse thoroughly, towel dry. So I am not entirely sure from the box or from this exactly what this is supposed to do, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research on it. But I'm intrigued. This is a Charlotte Tilbury Matte Contour Liquid Lipstick. Ooh, I have wanted to try her liquid lipstick formula. This is the shade Rising Star. Ooh, that's pretty. That's like a pinky nude color. Ooh, it's definitely one of those whipped formulas. Ooh, that's pretty. I think it's a little thick right now because this was sitting outside and it's like 5 degrees outside right now. So, but that's a really pretty color. I might put that in my to try pile. All right, let's see what this is. This is a Natasha Denona Blush Duo. Oh, why does it look all washed out? Oh, that's better. So this is a Blush Duo, and this is palette number 10. Ooh, nice packaging. Yeah, sorry, it's fogging up on it because it's cold. It's got like this plastic clear acrylic on the top. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh, that blush is gorgeous. And then that's almost like a subtle highlighter. Oh, that's nice. I am tempted to pull that in. All right, this, oh my gosh, is a Wayne Goss number 19 brush. Nice. I think I own this brush. I think I do. I may have to check out. I think I own most of his eye brushes, but I can never have enough Wayne Goss eye brushes. He is my favorite brush maker, so that is awesome. This is a, okay, I'm kind of torn on this. So this is a Jeffree Star Androgyny palette. Yep, Jeffree Star Androgyny palette. I have mixed feelings about Jeffree Star. I personally have not purchased anything because I don't really like what he stands for. I think he's a bit of a bully. Yeah, I don't really want to get into all the drama behind it, but to be honest, I haven't purchased anything from him because I don't know, I haven't wanted to support him. But I own it now, so we will play with it. And that's pretty cool. Like, lots of interesting matte shades, some really pretty colors that I don't think I have in a lot of palettes. I'm curious about his formula. Let's swatch a couple here. That gold looks really pretty. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, they seem pretty. All right, well, I don't know if I'm going to be like super anxious to pull this in, but I will certainly play with it and see what I think about it. And last in here is a large Z palette. This is in a really fun, funky sort of zebra print. You can never have enough magnetic palettes. Z palette is not my favorite magnetic palette, but I definitely still use them. Once again, Z palette owner kind of did some slightly shady things that, once again, I don't really want to get into, so I haven't been a huge supporter of buying new Z palettes, but I definitely use them, and I can definitely see myself using this one for some of my single shadows. So you can never have enough magnetic palettes. So here are all the things that I got in my lucky bag. So I will put a total on the screen for what this all adds up to. I haven't done the math yet, but all in all, this is definitely stuff that I will use, and then also things that I might not have tried otherwise, and then also way above the value of what I paid for it. So I'm excited to play with all of this stuff. I'm gonna go put this in my bathroom after I do some research on what the heck it actually is. I am gonna pull this Charlotte Tilbury lipstick into my everyday drawer, and I think I'm gonna pull this Natasha Denona blush palette in also, and then I will put this Wayne Goss brush, obviously, with the rest of my eyeshadow brushes, and then I will put these guys away. So, fun! Hope you guys enjoyed that little bonus lucky bag unboxing.